Dear friends, today we can see an exciting concept that will make you think over and over. The idea is your DNA holds secrets older than Earth's first humans. This is a powerful way of saying that the genetic code inside you carries information that stretches far back into deep evolutionary history, millions, even billions of years before modern humans appeared. Let's break it down clearly and scientifically. 1. DNA, a biological time capsule. DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, is like a living history book. It contains instructions for building and running your body. But those instructions weren't written overnight. They've been copied, edited, and passed down through countless generations of life on Earth. Many of the genes in your body are not unique to humans. You share more than 98% of your DNA with chimpanzees, your closest living relatives. You also share about 60% of your genes with a banana, which shows how ancient some of these biological instructions are. This means parts of your DNA existed hundreds of millions of years ago in the earliest forms of life. Ancient genes we inherited from common ancestors. Before there were humans, before there were mammals, there were simpler creatures. Single-celled organisms, early multicellular animals, fish, reptiles, and so on. Core genes that control cell division, DNA repair, and energy production evolved billions of years ago. Some genes linked to your immune system go back to early vertebrates. The genetic code for basic cell structure is even older, shared with bacteria and archaea. These genes are like old pages in your DNA book that were written long before humans emerged. Human evolution is just the latest chapter. Modern humans, Homo sapiens, appeared around 300,000 years ago, which is very recent in evolutionary time. But the DNA we carry was inherited from a long line of ancestors. Early primates, 50 million years ago, mammals, 20 million years ago, reptile-like ancestors, 300 million years ago, fish-like creatures, 500 million years ago, single-celled organisms, 3.5 billion years ago. So even though we are new, much of our biology is built on ancient blueprints. 4. DNA as a record of survival. Every gene that exists in your DNA today has survived countless environmental challenges, extinctions, and mutations. The fact that it's still here means it was beneficial or neutral, not harmful. It was passed down successfully through billions of generations. This makes your DNA a survivor, as archive, carrying molecular memories from long before the first humans walked the earth. All echoes of ancient life in modern humans. Some examples. Mitochondrial DNA traces back to a common ancestor known as mitochondrial Eve, about 50,000 years ago, but the mitochondria themselves came from bacteria billions of years ago. Genes involved in vision, like opsins, evolved in ancient sea creatures. Your blood clotting mechanisms can be traced back to early vertebrates. In simple terms, your body is like a modern computer running on ancient code that has been updated through evolution. Every cell in your body carries whispers from the deep past, from microbes that lived in the ancient oceans, from animals that crawled onto land, from apes that learned to walk upright. You are not just human, you are the product of 3.5 billion years of life. S story written in DNA.